Have you ever felt stuck, drained, or uninspired, questioning your path forward, much like Emily struggling with a demanding job? Understanding idioms like a new lease on life is crucial for effective communication, helping you comprehend everyday English conversations and media. Imagine Emily telling her friend David she needs a new lease on life, and David, taking it literally, suggests she talks to a real estate agent about a new apartment lease. This funny mix-up highlights the difference between the literal and figurative meanings of the phrase, leading to an awkward but relatable exchange. A new lease on life is an idiom signifying a fresh start, renewed energy, or a positive transformation after a period of difficulty, hardship, or stagnation. It implies a sense of revitalization and a chance to begin again with enthusiasm, often used to describe recovering from illness, ending a toxic relationship, or starting a new career. Returning to Emily, she decides to quit her demanding job and pursue her passion for baking, attending culinary classes and experimenting with recipes. Ultimately, she opens her own small bakery, experiencing a new lease on life through renewed purpose, increased energy, and a more fulfilling existence. After recovering from surgery, he felt like he had a new lease on life. Quitting her stressful job gave her a new lease on life, and she started spending more time with her family. The community center received a grant, giving it a new lease on life. Visualize a house with an old, worn-out lease, then picture a brand new lease being signed, symbolizing a fresh start. The idiom's origin is believed to stem from the 1800s real estate industry, where renewing a lease meant a new opportunity to reside in a property. Initially, it was used for recovering from illness, but expanded to any new beginning, reflecting cultural values of resilience and positive change. While less common, a new lease of life is also technically correct in some regions like the UK and Australia, showcasing regional variations. Movies and songs often use the theme of a new lease on life to depict characters undergoing significant positive changes, making it a common pop culture reference. Similar idioms include a second chance, emphasizing the opportunity to try again, and a fresh start, highlighting a completely new beginning. Turn over a new leaf focuses on making a positive change in behavior, while opposite idioms like at the end of one's rope signify being at the limit of coping. Up against the wall describes a difficult situation, and running out of time indicates diminishing opportunity, contrasting sharply with renewal. Related idioms like life in the fast lane describe a busy lifestyle, and the spice of life suggests variety makes life interesting. Life is what you make it emphasizes personal agency, reminding us that we create our own life experiences. A common grammatical mistake is using lease of life instead of lease on life in American English. Remember, you take out a lease on a house. Another frequent misunderstanding is assuming it only applies to health. However, it can refer to any area of life, such as career, relationships, or personal growth. Avoid using it trivially. Reserve a new lease on life for situations involving significant positive change or renewed purpose. Which sentence best demonstrates the meaning of a new lease on life? A. He moved to a new apartment to get a new lease on life. B. After recovering from a serious illness, she felt she had a new lease on life. C. The company decided to get a new lease on their office building. The correct answer is B, as it perfectly captures the essence of renewed vitality after a challenging period. In summary, a new lease on life signifies a fresh start and renewed enthusiasm after a challenging period, greatly benefiting English learners. Understanding this idiom improves communication skills and unlocks deeper cultural insights, enhancing your overall fluency. Now it's your turn. Share your own experiences of having a new lease on life in the comments below. If you enjoyed today's content, please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.